To raise the temperature of an object, heat has to be transferred to the object. However, not all substances experience the same rise in temperature when heat is added. The capability of a substance to absorb energy in the form of heat for a given increase in temperature is called specific heat. The specific heat of a substance is the number of joules needed to raise 1 gram of the substance by 1 degree Celsius. Materials with high specific heat, such as water, require greater amounts of heat to increase their temperatures than do substances with low specific heats, such as metals. Many living creatures respond slowly to changes in the temperature of their surroundings because of the high heat capacity of their body fluids, which are comprised of mostly water. The amount of heat stored by an object depends on its mass and its specific heat. The total amount of heat stored is called its thermal capacity. The thermal capacity of an object is sensitive to the size of the object. For example, a swimming pool full of water has a greater thermal capacity than a bottle of water. How much heat an object can store will depend on its mass and its specific heat. A substance's specific heat will be the amount of joules required to raise 1 gram of the substance by 1 degree. Some materials have higher thermal capacities and will need more heating to increase their temperature. Also, a larger body requires more heating than a smaller one of the same material. Heat plays a vital role in our everyday lives, both at home and at work. The sun is our greatest provider of heat. However, heat also occurs as a result of many physical and chemical changes. Heat energy can be transferred through processes of conduction, convection, and radiation. Equally, it is important to note the many factors at play when referring to these different methods of heat transfer, some of which include the type of material, its surface, its specific heat, and its size.